There's so many variables in cooking. It's always about time and temperature. Any recipe that you read is going to talk about how long to cook something and what temperature to cook something. Remember, they're only guidelines. It's really about being able to appreciate the technique and the process and work with it. If you make a mistake, it's okay. Before you know it, you'll know how to roast a beautiful chicken, hand roast a duck breast with crispy skin, or any things that we've been teaching. Let's get started. Young culinarians ask me all the time if I can give them some words of wisdom, and I always give them two. Be patient, and then be persistent. Don't let anybody tell you you can't do something. You can. What flavor do you really want in your vegetables or meats? It's really up to you. Don't take anything as a rule. In this masterclass, I'm very excited to elevate your cooking abilities. Super tender. Look at this dinner. I love this kind of cooking. To see it, to smell it, to experience it, to hear it. It truly is transformational, and it requires really a commitment in time. But if you want to make great food, this is what you have to do. And remember, patience, patience, patience. Oh, look at that. I want you to think about what you want to be eating. There are so many flavors, textures, techniques, and recipes. Simple perfection. I'm Thomas Keller, and this is my masterclass.